Hello friends, this is Heather the Fed Up Foodie. One of the easiest recipes to make from scratch is cornbread, and with these tips you'll never buy box mixes again. The first tip is if you love cornbread, buy your cornmeal in bulk. If stored properly, cornmeal has a shelf life of about a year, and buying in bulk can save you a significant amount of money on anything you make frequently. The second tip is when measuring the all-purpose flour, spoon the flour into the measuring cup and level with a butter knife. This will ensure just the right amount of flour is added, helping to keep the cornbread fluffy. Over the years of making this recipe, I've used just about every kind of milk there is. When using regular milk, I do love the richness that whole milk provides. However, when using a dairy-free milk, flax milk is my favorite because it is the richest and creamiest dairy-free milk that I've found that works well in recipes. Like I mentioned before, I'm a huge fan of buying in bulk, and the same goes with my oil. I use avocado oil for both my baking and frying, and Costco literally has the best price I've seen on avocado oil. Okay, back to baking tips. Whenever you bake from scratch, it is important to not overmix the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients because it can cause the final product to become tough. Also, the beauty of this recipe is that it mixes together extremely well, eliminating the need for a hand mixer. The final tip pertains to how well done you personally like your cornbread. I personally love my cornbread to be baked to a light golden brown, which takes about 25 minutes. However, if you prefer cornbread to be on the moister side, bake only for 20 minutes. For more recipes like this and for weekly inspiration, make sure to head on over to thefedupfoodie.com and sign up for my newsletter where I share recipes and tips in helping to make cooking from scratch approachable.